welcome back. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty, and today we're going to be doing a product review. The product that I'm going to be reviewing today for you guys is a lace tint spray from Wigstensions. Thanks so much to Wigstensions for sending me this product. They are a black-owned brand, and also to Cosmo Biz for sponsoring this video. They sent the product to me as well. Now today we're going to be reviewing Wigstensions Lace Tint Spray. They have 3 different shades: Mocha, Beige, and Golden. They're all 3 different shades, obviously, but you can also mix them. They're customizable, so you can mix them to get your desired color, and it all depends on the amount of pumps that you spray onto your hair as well. So definitely a good tip if you guys are looking to get better at customizing your wigs. As you can see, the ingredients of this product are very minimal, and they include witch hazel, which has been added to formula to eliminate odor causing germs from your wig, and that is a plus, so it smells amazing. But it has witch hazel, which also helps with as an antibacterial ingredient, so that's really good, especially when it comes to our hair and our wigs and the heat and the whole nine. Definitely want to make sure you are making sure you worry about the products that you put on your head. Now, as you can see, I have 3 paper towels or napkins laid out so that I can show you the different shades, spray them on, and kind of give you an idea of what each looks like. Now, those are 3 pumps from Beige. I was going to say Mocha. From Beige. That is the lightest shade. Oh wait, sorry. The first one was Golden. The second one is Beige. As you can see, it is a lighter shade. That's the lightest one. And then the last one was Mocha, the darkest shade. I had them mixed up. They're not in order, but I fixed them and put them in order for you guys to see. You definitely don't want to forget to shake it up. That is part of the instructions, to shake it up before you spray. Okay, so a little snack break, a little dance break, and then I was back at it. Now we're going to be trying these on 2 different items. This is a 100% human hair lace closure, and I think it's 4x4. I'm not too sure. I mean, it's a small closure, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of what it looks like on something that I can hold in my hand and for you guys to visibly see. So this is what it's looking like here, and it is literally just a little, it's not even 4x4. I shouldn't say that, because as you can see, it just gives you that little bit of parting space, but it's enough for you to see where the part is and for us to demo on. So we're going to do that today. And just so you guys know, this is not a bleaching product, so it's not going to bleach your knots. It's going to tint your lace. Okay, just want to make sure I mention that, because you're still going to see knots, but you're tinting your lace to make it look more like your complexion. The lace should look more like your complexion. So as you can see, I'm spraying on Golden. I believe that is Golden, and Golden came off pretty dark, but those instructions say for you to let it air dry, and as it air dries, you will see that you need a little bit more pumps than a few, because it will dry up and then not really show, and you'll see that in a second. I laid that down and then grabbed another wig, and this was my human hair wig, and I sprayed Golden on that one as well, just to give you guys an idea of the lace tint spray on a human hair wig. And you definitely want to be careful. This stuff drips, but as you can see that it has been tinting. I did let it sit and air dry and follow the instructions, and then maybe after 5 minutes, this is what the closure looked like. Okay. Oh, and I was showing you my hands to see that, you know, there's no mess. It's dry. After 5 or 10 minutes, it was pretty much dry, and you see there's a part at the bottom there that didn't get tinted, and then the top did. So just to give you an idea, and then you can also see right where I'm pointing that it's clearly tinting the lace. It just takes a little bit more pumps than a few, I would definitely say, for it to show up. And I'm going to keep showing you guys how many times. I had to go back and forth a couple of times for you guys to see a change, for myself to see a change. And I did switch up the shades as well. At first I was only doing Golden, and this time I was doing the Mocha on top because it wasn't showing up enough. All right, so it's definitely tinting, but I definitely wanted it to be a little bit darker. So I realized that I probably should try doing the not the air drying, but blow drying, to see if that made a difference. And overnight I kind of just let it sit so that we could see a difference. And as you can see, it definitely tints, sis. It definitely tints. So I'm just trying to see if this was a good enough tint for me, or if I wanted to do more. But yeah, so I definitely recommend this product. As you can see, it does work. It's fast, it's easy, and it smells amazing. I forgot to mention that it smells amazing. So thanks again to Wigstensions for sending me this product to review for you guys. If you guys would like to try this product, definitely recommend it. Check the description box for a link so that you can check it out. And I will see you guys in the next video, especially if you decide to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you. Stay royal.